Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download transfer leads into Salesforce from Mailchimp step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Mailchimp account. Navigate to the audience dashboard. Select the audience you want to export leads from. Click on the Manage Audience drop-down menu. Choose Export Audience from the options available. A download link will be generated for your audience data. Download the CSV file provided. Next, log into your Salesforce account. Go to the app launcher in the upper left corner. Type in Data Import Wizard and click on it. Select Launch Wizard to start the import process. Choose Custom Objects from the options. Select the object where you want to import the leads. Click on Add New Records. Upload the CSV file you downloaded from Mailchimp. Map the CSV columns to relevant Salesforce fields. Double-check that all required fields are correctly mapped. Click Next to review your import settings. Make sure everything looks correct before proceeding. Click on Finish to start the import. Monitor the progress bar to see when the import completes. Check the import results notification for any errors. Review the newly imported leads in the designated Salesforce object. You are now finished with transferring Mailchimp leads into Salesforce. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.